quem fala é o Bruninho. Mano, hoje estou aqui com o Franklin aqui no GTA V, velho. E a gente tá continuando as missões onde é que a gente parou, sabe? Eu tava com o Franklin e com o Mike. A gente tá com esses dois carinhas aqui no momento, né? Ainda não desbloqueamos o trevão, né, cara? Mas é pra passar, tia. E, mano, a gente tem umas missões pra fazer ali do Franklin, mas é mais pro Michael também, né? Vamos lá ver, né? Vamos no L lá ver o que tem que fazer com o Lamar, que é a missão secundária, eu acho, não sei. Vou tentar chegar o máximo mais rápido possível. Deixa o like aí, beleza? Se tá gostando aí, deixa o like, se inscreve no canal. Bora lá. Ei, filhão, qual foi? O cara roubou a mina ali, velho.
That asshole took off my bike!
Vai? Tem quebrado, tem quebrado.
Stay there! Look out the way! Screw this. This shit ain't worth it.
Vai dar um tiro no pé dele, mas daí eu tô pra não incomodar.
Yo, dude, what's up?
What in the hell?
Ficando mais rápido de bike, velho. Aí agora aprendi. Eu tô apoiando pra bike.
Fucking got it!
Ei,
Oh,
Joe.
thank fuck you've got it. Thanks, man. Seriously, you saved my ass.
Oh, it's cool, man. My repo instincts kicked
Ah, mano, eu
in.
tô cansado. Eu não gosto desses caras, não. Não, o cara quer ser bonzinho não ganha mais nada. É que nem a outra vez a tiazinha lá. Que nem a outra vez a tiazinha. Fui lá, matei o cara lá, dei uns tiros no pé dele lá pra pegar a bolsa dela. Não ganhei nem uma bala, velho. Ah, tá louco, tá fora da casinha assim.
I kicked your ass! Better watch what the fuck you're walking into. Now I kick your culo! Rapid style!
Eita! Eita! Que foi essa? Meu Deus do céu, velho. Que é isso, mano? Que isso? Ah, olha onde é que eu fui nascer, né? Eu fui brincar com fogo. Fui brincar com fogo e olha no que deu. O cara só faz merda, né?
You still owe me dinner!
What up, big dog?
Hey, what's
Só
happening?
tirou um carro agora, né, velho? Não, o primeiro que vinha, meu. Para aí, tio, para aí. Perdeu.
Now stay calm, lady. Chill.
Perdeu. Perdeu. Tá, eu vou ali no Lamar, é muito longe.
Too
Vamos
close.
ver o que é que a gente fazer ali na casa dele. Talvez deve ser aquela questão do cara preso, né, de solto, né? Vamos lá. Olha aqui, Alice.
Oh, of course I say that po' boy's life. But you know what? It's getting to be a bit much.
I have no idea how you cope.
Of course I cope. I'm a woman.
Ain't that the truth?
But girl, I done all that I can do. But you know how boys are. Wait a minute. Oh, girl. Whew, hey, how much further?
We ain't even gone 5 yards yet.
I know, I'm just asking.
This is spirit walking. Exercises body and soul. It's all the rage. We are women and we are free. Free in the end of patriarchy. We are women. You are free. We are women. Here are shouting. We are women.
Damn!
Você foi foda.
F, is that your auntie?
Yeah, thank God I missed her crazy ass. She's spirit walking this shit now, man. That's just her attempts to.
Hey, don't be talking shit about your auntie, man. She got it. I mean, she cool as a motherfucker, man. Come on.
Come where?
We gotta go pick up some shit from around the corner, man. We can walk and talk at the same time, my nigga.
Why the fuck we can't drive?
Around the block with Chop? You need to walk with your fat ass.
Yeah, okay, you tall, linky son of a bitch.
O cachorrinho, velho.
Come on, homie, we
Rottweiler,
ain't got all
gordo
day.
pra
Let's
caralho.
go.
For sure, but what you got up?
Kidnapping, fool. That clown D. That OG fool from Ballers.
Dog, I told you, no more gang-banging retro vengeance bullshit. I'm trying to make some fucking paper.
You gonna make some paper, low, and ain't nobody out here gangbanging. It just look like that. You gotta know the difference, man.
Fuck, man, great. My aunt would be very happy, homie. She wants me dead anyway so she can get the fucking house.
You driving. Get in the van, Chop. Get in the van. Good dog.
Vamos, Lamar. Tu vai sequestrar o cara e matar ele, rapaz.
We going up Vinewood Boulevard.
Estamos indo pra Vinewood. Boulevard. Boulevard. Coisa assim. Sem inglês, tá, rapaziada? Então vocês.
Hey, I like your dog, homie. Me and Chop got a lot in common. Yo annoying ass.
Man, I'm carrying both of y'all asses, homie. Look what I set up.
Man, fuck this, man. You seen Tanisha?
She straight. It's me and you that ain't straight, though, homie.
Dog, I know, homie. But look, I met this contact, this white dude. Real serious dude, man. This motherfucker know the streets, homie. I know he'll be a good hookup for us.
We don't need no hookup, fool. I know these streets.
You know these streets. Man, all you know is dime bag hustling, credit card stealing, boosting gas tankers, homie. Come on, man. What, you trying to be some fucking commodity trader or something?
Fool, that shit went up, man.
Look, homie, I don't mind dying, you feel me? But I just want to die over something that matters, homie. That's what foreign gangsters should really be about.
And I know this much, the motherfucking OGs ain't even giving a fuck about us, though.
Man, fuck the OGs then. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no motherfucking pyramid scheme.
No, wait, hold on. Listen to your boy one time. Listen to your boy. You want some paper, my nigga? This is what it's about. Check it out. I'm talking about 40,000. No problem. Cash in hand, 2 days time, no killing, nothing.
No, just starting another beef with the fucking ballers, nigga. That's Class A felony bullshit.
We gonna keep our disguise on. Ain't nobody gotta know it was us.
Yeah, whatever, homie. We'll see about that.
I've been told he up in the alley.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's up, boo? Ain't you little Laida's cousin?
Yeah.
Damn, you short with it? I was just saying, I was trying to holler at
And
you.
you ain't hollering at nothing over here.
Why is it gotta be like that? I'm an OG.
And OG, so what? So the fuck what, nigga? It's a million OGs
Well,
over
shit,
here.
how about I put one of these little X pills up your ass crack? Next thing you know, you're gonna be begging for it, boo-boo.
That's disgusting.
What's happening now, D-man? Ain't no fun if the gangsters can't have none.
Man, fuck you, Mark. I ain't sharing no ass with the CGF.
Ain't nobody sharing nothing.
Man, shut the hell up,
fuck
bitch.
you, nigga.
Man, fuck y'all. Hey, ain't there a law against you mark-ass gangsters, insignia, mask-wearing motherfuckers?
Oh, so what's up now, nigga? You snitching or
something,
Oh,
nigga?
shit.
Bitch-ass nigga?
Fuck you, nigga. I'm out of here. Nigga. Fuck y'all,
Get that
bitch.
nigga. Come on, let's go. In the van, we gotta go.
He on a bike, man. We ain't gonna care.
On gangster, we got this.
Hold on, Chop.
He leaving us behind, fool. You seen that bitch back there? She a dime. I'm all over that. And she probably the same. Like I said, they fly.
Flock your mind on this shit right here for a minute. You worse than Chop. Damn,
Homie,
you
you
can't
tripping.
Chop.
You ain't even concentrating. Do that special driving.
Cadê? Toma! Ah, não podia matar ele. Paco, pinche. Já fiz o bagulho errado então. Vamos repetir então o bagulho.
Go, go, get in the van.
Vamos, Joe. Corre, 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 Joe. Corre, Joe. Corre, Joe.
You see what he driving? Man, we in a van, motherfucker. We fucked.
Just drive, fool.
It's gonna get bumpy, Chop. What the fuck you... Say something, folk. We could've creeped up on this nigga.
You see yourself, Frank? He's a big black motherfucker, nigga. Your creeping days is over.
Vai, mano. Vai,
This
mano.
nigga's a punk, homie, and he making you look like one too.
I don't know why you think that's gonna motivate me, nigga, cause it don't.
Don't clap that fool.
Caralho, a moto do cara é
Next time we going after the motherfucker in the car, alright? All these punk ass bikes.
avião, mano.
Man, how we gonna get the ransom? If you... Use your cell phone, the police gonna trace the signal and we fuck.
Man, that don't happen, dog. That's some bullshit.
It ain't some bullshit. It's science, fool. They got the technology.
Fuck, son.
Cara, velho do céu, velho. Eu não sei como é que o louco não deu no meio daquele avião ali, cara, pra mim.
What is wrong with you, fool?
Caiu de moto, caiu.
Damn! He got fucked up! Man, take time. Go get that fool.
Nigga, you just sitting your ass there with your feet kicked up. Come on, Chop. Come on. Go bite his ass. Get that motherfucker, Chop.
Get him!
Pegou.
You crossed the line here.
Ah, véi. É que o cara não consegue pular, mano.
We coming for you.
Tem chope.
You gonna pay for this. This like sprint training.
Pelo amor de Deus, velho. Esse Frank é muito burro pra correr, mano.
Bite his ass, Chop.
Nesse cara.
Oh, fuck. Come on, boy. Find that fool. Sniff him out, Chop Chop. Lead me to him. You smell something in the train? You smell that motherfucker, boy? Lay down, bitch.
Vamos ver se ele tá aqui, esse vagabundo.
Shit, this motherfucker empty. Come on, smell that stinky motherfucker. I got your ass. I'm gonna find you, motherfucker. Hey, where you going, boy? That don't look like no baller's OG to me. Chop, no!
Esse é o cara, esse
Get
cachorro.
off there, man. We got shit to do.
Ah, essa é muito boa, velho. Não, essa é boa pra caralho, velho.
Man, that's a dude, Chop. Man, you'll fuck anything.
Que porra é essa, mano? Não, vai tomar no cu. Que eu tô... Não, sai. Vem, chope.
You a mean motherfucker, man. Let's go. You got a whiff of him, Chop? Put him up. You scared of dogs, nigga? Oh, shit!
Screw that dog, man.
Don't hump him. Bite his ass, Chop.
Get his ass. Fuck you, son of a bitch! That bitch just fucking bit me, man!
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, man, get over here! Oh, shit!
Pegamos o cara,
Man, I ain't
pegamos o
got no
cara.
beef with the CGF!
Cause maybe we doing our own
Foi
thing.
What
boa.
the fuck, man? Shit! Hey, Lamar Davis, is that you, nigga?
Nigga, shut the fuck up. Just get in.
Yeah, that's you, nigga! Fucking idiot! Shit! I said I had no beef, man!
Shut the fuck
Hey,
up.
man, what the fuck? Get this fucking dog away from me!
Come on.
Fuck!
Hey, if you don't train Chop,
Fazer o...
be a lost cause like you,
Pegar o
dog.
cara ali, né?
We gonna stash this dude in my
Tirando que
spot.
o Chopp fez uma coisa que não precisava ter feito, né? Dá pra correr até dos bagulhos, mas...
You going back to your crib? I've been there when you was in diapers.
Shut up, man. You ain't recognize me.
I knew it was you before you took that flag off. You always been dumb, Lamar.
Really? Well, I guess that means we gonna have to shoot your ass when we pick up our 40 stacks.
You ain't gonna pick up shit. Fans gonna be on you before you can even move, nigga.
Be quiet. I gotta make a call. We got your boy.
Calling them on a cell phone, you dumb motherfucker. They gonna trace this shit in a second.
We want 40,000. Is pay me or pay the funeral director, motherfucker.
What the fuck you done? You just gave them our location. Now we gotta let this motherfucker out of here.
Get your wings on. We're hitting the beach this weekend.
Get the fuck out of here. And nigga, give me that damn phone.
What the fuck?
Fuck y'all. I'll be seeing y'all soon.
The only reason you been seeing shit cause we went easy on your ass. Remember that, dog.
Dumb bitches.
This some bullshit. Take me down the cut.
Man, what the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
I was getting us paid. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? That was a good phone.
A good phone? The cops was all over, nigga.
I could have swallowed my card. Try to triangulate that.
It's too late, shit's done. Least I saved you the indignity of pulling apart your shit.
Nigga, I ain't afraid to get my hands dirty, old precious motherfucker.
This is what I mean, homie. We need to get serious. Get paid. This shit ain't working.
So your old white dude gonna fix us. Win my first class.
Look, I'm gonna learn some skills, man. Pass them on. There's a whole city out there. It's waiting to be taken, nigga.
All right, motherfucker.
You the motherfucker. You better watch out for them ballers. They gonna be on you
Nossa,
now.
que eu vou ficar com o
Cops
cachorro, é
gonna be
questão
on
que eu
your
vou
ass,
ativar,
too.
né?
Yeah, I ain't worried about it. I'm a motherfucking gangster. You know how I do. I can take care of my sizzle.
No, the fuck you kids ain't.
Acabou? Chopp. É top, velho. Apareceu mais coisa no mapa pra gente, eu acho, fazer. Deixa eu ver. Ó, a gente tá desbloqueando de vez em quando aqui, ó. Se a gente vir no Lamar... Não, acho que é Lamar aqui. Não. Missão com o Lamar foi o que a gente fez. Aqui é o que, então? Lester? Ah, aqui é o Lester, pode falar, conheço, tal. Pra fazer os roubos, né? Eu acho que o azul é o... O azul é o... As missão primária, né? Essas daí é a missão secundária. Mas era isso então, rapaziada. Deixa o like aí, tá? No próximo episódio eu vou fazer a do Lester, beleza? Valeu, tamo junto. Feito.